Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamatamang. Today I bring for you all creamy mushroom soup recipe. A creamy mushroom recipe you can make very easily at your home or workplace, and even ingredients are very easily you can find out, and it's healthy and earthy and comforting soup. So you can enjoy with your family, friends. Please watch video until the end and follow the ingredients instruction and make it to your home and enjoy with your family, friends. Thank you very much, everyone. Creamy mushroom soup recipe is smoothie, earthy, and comforting, just like a restaurant style version. Creamy mushroom soup ingredients: 2 tablespoon butter or olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, optional for extra richness. 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced 250-gram mushroom, button, srimini or a mix, sliced. 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 3 cup vegetable or chicken stock, 1 cup milk or cream, or half and half. 1/4 teaspoon thyme, dried or fresh, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instruction: saute aromatics, half butter and olive oil if using in a pot over medium heat. Add onion and garlic, saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the softness. Cook mushroom, add sliced mushroom and thyme. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes until mushroom release moisture and start to brown. Make a base, sprinkle on flour, stir well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to remove raw flavor to taste. Add liquid, gradually pour in stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add creaminess, stir in milk, cream and simmer gently for another 5 minutes. Do not boil after adding cream to prevent curdling. Blend optional. For a smooth soup, blend with the impression blender or in a batches until creamy. For choker texture, leave as is. Season and serve. Add salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with parsley and serve hot. Tips: for deeper flavor, mix in a handful of dried porcini mushroom soaked in hot water along with the fresh mushroom to make it Bajan. Use olive oil, plant-based milk, and veg stock. Serve with the garlic bread or crusty bucket for a complete meal. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and enjoy with your family, friends. Thank you very much. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao. Then till stay healthy, stay safe, and be enjoy your life, happiness with joyness. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all.